Hey guys, welcome to EDS Kicks. So today I want to show you guys a review of a real versus fake of the UNC off-white one. You know, the fakes are really close and someone actually tried scamming me, so I just want to make a quick video. So we have one pair that's straight from Nike, and then we have one that's from some rep site. I don't really know where he got it from, but let's get right into it. So I want to show you guys the box first. So this is a real pair, and this is the fake one. And right off the bat, you guys could tell the Nike logo on the top. This is just like a darker red than this one. It's kind of hard to tell if you don't have another box. Thankfully, I had this one, so I could use that as a reference. And let's just get into some of the details. So I want to show you guys the real box first. This is the label. You guys a closer look at that. And then here we have the fake one. No major differences that I could really think of. Just the font is a little bit different on this one, and the placement is different. Really, fake and real pairs really never come like this, like where the suggested retail is, on this opening part. I've never seen a real pair of Jordan 1s with that. So right when I got the shoes, right off the bat, like the box was kind of a giveaway for me. But once again, if you don't have these in hand, it's kind of hard to tell. But let's get into the shoes, because I know that's a little bit more important for you guys. Starting off, I want to talk about the zip tie. So this is the zip tie on the real pair. You guys see the color and like that glossy finish right there. And then let me show you guys the zip tie on the fake pair, which is still attached to the sneaker. Alright, so this is the zip tie on the fake pair. You guys can see it's more of a matte like finish to it, and the color is just completely different. I'm gonna put them side by side right now for you guys. So this is the fake, it's attached to the shoe, and then this is the real one that I took off from my pair. So you guys can see the difference right there. This one's a lot more glossy, and the color is like more defined compared to this one, which is like kind of a stale matte look, kind of a cheaper flimsy feel to it as well, while this one has like a better feel to it. Shoelaces. So this is the fake pair. Shoelaces are a lot bigger on the fakes than on the real pair. Another thing I noticed right off the bat. The orange ones are on my real pair right now, but I'll show you guys the blue ones. Alright, so here's the comparison. This is the fake shoelace, this is the real one. Now it is tied a little differently, but overall the length of these is much longer than the real pair. And again, a dead giveaway. And we just look at the difference of like the orange, the blue, and then the real blue. Even the color, this one's a little bit of a different color shade of blue than this one. So just things to look out for in case you can't tell it on the shoe. But once I show you guys the detail of the shoe on this particular pair of fakes, you guys will be like able to tell that fake really quickly. Another thing I want to mention about the box, every real pair that you get should have this little green sticker thing. This right here. If it doesn't have that, then it's not real, and that doesn't have it clearly. I haven't even had these in hand for that long. It's been maybe an hour, and these are just things like, just right off the fact, like if you're buying off-white and you guys are spending $700-800 to $1,000 on these sneakers, you guys should know how to legit check them when you get them in hand. Because if you don't have this real pair like I have it right now, for some people it may be a little bit hard to tell whether they're fake or not. In terms of the tissue paper, this comes with it. I know a lot of the UNC fakes right now don't come with it, but this one does, and I really couldn't tell the difference between the real and the fake. The writing on the fake is a little more defined, I want to say. Like you could tell the writing more, whereas this one, if I show it from far, like you guys can see the lettering, but it's a little bit more faded into the tissue than this one, which is like kind of glaring out. Alright, so getting right into the sneakers themselves. So you guys can take a guess at which one's real or not. Maybe the where they're placed on the box gives it away, but they're pretty dead on. If you've never had a pair of off-white Jordans or just off-white sneakers, or like Jordan 1s in particular, you probably wouldn't be able to guess this right. But if you guys really want to know, and this is why you guys are here, the one on the right, these are the real, these are the fake. To me, it's just really obvious. Like within probably 30 seconds of having them, I realized they're fake, and I'll tell you guys why. First thing, The toe box, you know, on the fakes, this is just, it just feels really weird. I don't know how to explain it. Now this is the new material that Nike used on the UNC Jordan ones compared to the Chicago's and the Euro exclusive one. So they put like this new, like, you know, material on it, like kind of a protective guard kind of thing. And so the fakes weren't able to get that right. But eventually I think over time they're gonna make it exactly like this. Right now it just feels different. It looks different. Look at the holes on the fake. You just, you know, it's really hard to just look at that. Like, look at the difference, the definition of this on the real pair compared to the fake. The stitching, once again, on the toe box, different color, and it's off. Like, the placement is off. I'll show you guys the toe box really quick. I'll give you a comparison of these. So the one with the orange laces for reference are the real pair. Look at the toe box. Like, look at the difference right there. That's the fake, and then this is the real one. So we're talking about this part just to, like, so you guys see this part right here on the real pair, like how like nice and smooth and like well cut it is. And then on the fake one right here, it's lifted. First of all, we gotta pay attention to that. It's lifted. It's not smooth. Color, look at the color. The coloring is just 3 different colors right here. It's not supposed to be like that. Another dead giveaway to me. Look how flimsy these are. These are like the Chicago and the white pair that came out. This is how the real ones were, like pretty flimsy. This is the fake pair on this one. They're not supposed to be like the same. Like when I look at this, look what happens. All right, on the real pair, a lot more sturdy, different color. When you go like this, it doesn't move around as much. Different stitching. Stitching is another dead giveaway. Look at the stitching on the real pair right here. You guys a nice look at that. The holes, the Jordan logo, and then we go to the fake one. Look what a poor job they did with that. The stitching, the holes are completely off. The Jordan logo off. Stitching. I'll show you guys a better view of the stitching, and to me this is the biggest giveaway of them all. The off-white sign right here on the real pair, look at how it is. Like, look how smooth and clean it is, along with the swoosh stitching. Look how clean that is. And I'll bring the fake one, and look at that. The print is just, you know, all over the place. The letters are raised, as you guys can see. The letters are actually bigger as well. I'll show you guys that. Like, a little far. So the bottom one's the real, top one's the fake. Yeah. Letters are a lot bigger, not as clean on the real pair, I mean on the fake pair. And yeah, other differences, the 85 inside, you guys pay attention to that. Some of the fakes have been getting this right. And the color of the suede inside, now that's the fake. Real one, a little bit different, lighter shade on the suede, and the 85 is a little bit more defined. One other difference, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but the manufacturing date on the fakes, let me see if I can give that to you guys. It's not really focusing, but this one says 12/16/17 to 4/06/18. That's the fake. And the real one, let's see if we get this one for you guys. Right there, 12/19/17 to 3/22/18. So these, the production dates on them are different on the reels. Pay attention to that as well. And overall, the Nike swoosh, one other thing I want to point out, like, look at the Nike swoosh, guys. Like, look at this shit. It's curved here. Everything is just off. The little aglets for the laces, I guess, the lace holes, really flimsy. Like, you could tell the fakes tried doing it how the original off-white ones were, but again, Nike really changed it up on these, and the fakes, I guess they got thrown off. All the differences, and we got them all covered. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more. I know I've been gone for about 3-4 months now, but I want to start uploading again. And thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps you guys. If you need any more information, I could send you, info on the real ones. Anything else, just hit me up in the comment section down below. And until next time, thank you.